A client that we're working with right now has seen an increase of 100% in organic traffic over the past 6 months. Now, to prove this to you, here are some slides from Ahrefs, which is a third-party tool. So when we started off on month 1, the organic keywords was 1.5k, organic traffic was 1.1k, traffic value was $615. Now month 6, we've got 3.7k organic keywords, we've got 2.7k organic traffic, and the traffic value has more than doubled to 1.7k. Now you might be thinking, this is Ahrefs, the data might not be reliable. Okay, well, here's a screenshot from the client search console. Month 1, there was a total of 1.7k clicks, total impressions of 51.5k. Month 6 in March, they saw an increase in clicks to, nearly 3,000, and their total impressions tripled essentially. Now, the reason why the average position went down from 26 to 29 is because the client is now ranking for more keywords. Now, let me ask you this. How did a 20-year-old who's running a SEO agency from his bedroom manage to pull out these results and, for a very, very small retainer that the client's paying us? Well, I'm going to be talking about this. So, firstly, I just want to talk about the SEO industry and all of the lies that are out there. There's a lot of confusion in the SEO space, and I can completely understand where it's coming from. There are people out there who are talking about theory and talking about things that don't work. And, in this video, you're going to realize that, once you master what I'm about to talk about in this video, you're going to be able to rank for any keyword. It doesn't matter if it's e-commerce, doesn't matter if it's local SEO. No matter what industry you're in, you're going to understand the basic principles that make SEO work. And let me ask you this. What if there was a proven system? What if there was a proven system that I've managed to find? I started doing SEO around the age of, 18. I knew about it when I was about 17 and a half. I really started getting into it when I was 18. And for the past year, I've gotten really serious about it. So I'm 20 years old now, and it's taken me well over a year and a half to actually find a proven system that some of the biggest companies in the world, like Amazon, ASOS, eBay, and IKEA, some of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world, are using. This proven system that they're using, some companies, they don't even know that they're using it. That's the funny part. Like, a lot of them don't even know that they're using this proven system. So I've reverse engineered it. Around, a year ago, this time last year, I was selling cupcakes in a mall, making £6.70 an hour. It was a minimum wage job. I hated it. But anyway, that being said, the company that I was working for and selling cupcakes for, they were literally dominating the SERPs. They were dominating the cupcake market in the city that I'm in. And the reason why they were doing this is because, well, I'm going to get into that right now. And guess what? They never did any SEO. I managed to speak to the owner before I left, just to ask him some questions about the business and, maybe ask for a little bit of advice, and I did. And I asked him, like, have you guys ever done SEO? And he literally said no. And it was the biggest shock, because they were literally dominating their market for cupcake-related keywords. So, going back to, some of these big companies like Amazon, ASOS, eBay, and IKEA, what is the proven system they're all using? And, they don't even know they're using. So, what is that? Okay, firstly, after watching this video, I want you to go and download this Keywords Everywhere tool. And I want you to search for each of these companies' names. Now, to save you some of the time and to, obviously keep you on this video, I've gone ahead and done that. So, if we take a look at Amazon, they get over 270 million searches per month for their brand name. ASOS gets over 16 million. eBay gets over 100 million. IKEA gets over 37 million. Now, let me tell you this right now. It doesn't matter how good you are at SEO. Brand always trumps SEO. If you have a reputable brand, an established brand, and you're getting traffic to your site, your SEO efforts are going to be exponentially easier. So, going back to, the cupcake company I was working for, why were they ranking so well? Well, firstly, they built a brand. Like, they built a very, very popular brand, and the brand that they built led to an increase in their traffic online, which meant that, you know, that from that traffic, people were also linking to them because their brand was powerful, their brand was strong. And, you know, the main thing that I want to talk about today is the 80-20 principle. Now, this 80-20 principle, if you understand it, you're going to be a lot more effective in, you know, every single area of your life, pretty much. So what is the 80-20 rule? It's this. It basically states that 20% of your efforts are going to lead to 80% of the results you're going to be able to get. So, as an example, in SEO, there's a couple of things that you can do that will generate 80% of the results for you. This doesn't just apply in SEO, this applies in business as well. Most of the time, you know, within any company, there's going to be a select, you know, there's going to be 20% of products that make up 80% of the company's revenue. But this doesn't just apply in business either. This can be even taken into, you know, someone's personal life. If you take a look at your friends, you're probably spending, you know, 80% of your time with 20% of your friends. Just look at other areas in your life and see where this rule is happening. So, what is the 80-20 rule in SEO? What are the 20% of effort that you can put in that are going to get you 80% of the results? And here it is. The 80-20 rule for SEO is traffic plus links. Don't overcomplicate this. This is literally as simple as it is. You focus on these two things, the 20%, and it's going to give you 80% of the results. And you're going to be leaps and bounds ahead of your competition, because your competition is going to be confused by all the controversial SEO information out there, and they're not going to double down on this, which is traffic and links. So, what if you're starting from zero? You know, what if you don't have an established brand? What if you're not getting traffic to your website? What if you're not getting links naturally because, you know, people don't want to link to you, they don't know you, they don't know your brand. So, you know, what do you do if you're starting from zero? I hate it when people show, you know, how to do something when you're starting from either the midpoint or, you know, when you're starting from a good place, but they never show you what if you're literally starting from zero. Well, here's the thing. Link building, right? It's traffic and links are the two main things. Link building. We've already covered link building on this channel multiple times. If you go onto our channel, there are free videos covering link building and how you can build links even if you don't already have an established brand. So that leads us on to traffic. Traffic is one of those things that most SEO agencies are not good at generating. They're very good at SEO. There's a lot of companies that are good at SEO, but there are very, very few companies who are good at SEO and who are also good or great at generating traffic from other sources online or offline. So, how do you generate this traffic if you're starting from zero? Well, there are videos that we're going to be putting out very, very soon. So I would highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel right now to stay tuned for those videos. But for now, I'm going to be running a competition. What is this competition and what can you win? Well, you're going to be able to win a free 30-minute consultation with me where I'm going to run you through a customized, you know, plan for your specific website. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a secret that I haven't put into this video for a very good reason, because I don't want to reveal all of my secrets. Like, there are certain secrets that give me the edge and give my agency the edge, and I don't want to put that out into the public. But if you enter this competition, you're going to win a free 30-minute consultation with me, and in that competition, in that free consultation, I'm going to tell you a secret that was used by the cupcake company, which they didn't even know they were using. But because they had this one thing in place, it exponentially impacted the success of their SEO. And they never did SEO. They just this one thing, when you understand this one thing that I'm going to be, you know, revealing to you in our free 30-minute consultation, it's going to blow up your results. And I'm not even exaggerating. So, how do you enter the competition? Simply comment down below e-commerce SEO for and then your industry. So, for example, e-commerce SEO for gardening tools, or e-commerce SEO for toy business, or whatever your business is. Just put down the industry and you'll be entered in, and I'll be picking a winner before next week's video. So that wraps it up really. That is the end of this video. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe for more videos. I'm going to be releasing traffic related videos and how you can grow your traffic very, very soon. So make sure you're subscribed and you turn on the notifications to get notified when we do upload videos. And yeah, make sure you comment down below what you enjoyed about this video, and make sure you enter this competition, because I'm telling you, if you win that free consultation with me, your SEO results are going to blow up. Like, this stuff is stuff that took me, you know, a year and a half, more than a year, to actually reverse engineer and figure out. So you're going to cut that learning curve and essentially get one of my biggest secrets. So thank you for watching this video. My name is Volkan, the founder of Clicks from Search, and I will see you on the next video.